Hello guys, welcome back and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove pattern or password from your Infinix Hot 50 Pro in case you forgot it. First you have to power off your phone, then press and hold power and volume up key simultaneously. Now when the Infinix logo appear, release power key while keep holding on to the volume up key until the no command page shows up. Now when this page comes up, again press power and volume up key together to enter into the recovery menu. Now here in the recovery menu, use volume keys to navigate through the option and use power key to select an option. Select factory data reset twice and this will erase all the data present in your phone, including the pattern or password. Now after the data wipe completion, select reboot system now and this will reboot your phone. After the reboot, it will take some time to set up, so you have to wait for it. Now after the restart, tap on next, set up your phone, and after completing the setup you will be able to use your phone normally again. Thanks for watching.